Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to show you a crazy new AI tool for all game developers who currently maybe plan their own first game. I guess we all noticed that stuff like game design documents are very important to get a clear picture about your project, and also that they are important to developers like us, for example, who later help you build your game. But we also noticed that it's boring to write those, or sometimes you don't get many good ideas of what you should put in there. And this AI tool I want to show you today will accelerate the process using AI, and it will revolutionize how even bigger projects will get planned in the future, because a normal game design document, I guess, is outdated now. The tool I want to show you is from Gameforge, and it's called Designer. And in there you can easily plan your game, since it will structure everything nicely for you, so you have an overview about all your levels, and inside the levels you later maybe also have enemies, quests and more stuff you can put inside of a game level. And every quest you want to create, you can easily mark or highlight in the text, and then a new quest get added to the list of quests you already have, basically. And now comes the cool thing, because all this also works with AI, which means that, for example, when you created a new enemy or something like that and you describe them, then you can easily click on generate, and some images will get generated, which you can later also forward to your 3D team so the character can get built. And there is in most cases no need for concept artists and all that stuff anymore. Another cool thing is that you can also write the description of your enemies using AI. If you are lacking of new ideas, the AI will even support you there. But when we come back to the characters, another cool feature is that you can also chat with your created characters, and this later maybe also would work directly in the game. So there we are back basically with our AI characters, where I also made some more videos about in the last days. And this feature is super nice because it helps you to understand your characters better and also test their responses. And especially this will be super interesting when you later have many different characters who maybe influence each other in some ways, basically. It's the same example I already brought in the GTA video. For example, you have a gang leader and some gang members, and when you as a character kill those gang members, then it will have a variable or something like that, maybe, that the gang members are dead. And you can also test this, for example, gang leader inside of this game design document. You can chat with him in those two scenarios, when his gang is still alive, but also when all of his gang members are dead, because then based on those actions which will actually happen in the game, the responses of those characters will maybe be different, and like this you can also test out different scenarios, and that's super useful and super important. But there are even more cool, unique features. So let's say you defined the setting of your game to be inside of a nuclear winter, for example, like me with my game Meltdown. But then you notice, for example, that it would be easier for you to make the game which take place in a normal apocalyptic world or something completely different. Then the AI will also check for any references inside of your quests, characters and all the other stuff you added, and it will update the informations according to what you newly provided, basically. And this will also help you to have a consistent story which actually makes sense, because you don't want to change something at one spot but it's linked to something else in a different spot, and then it don't get synchronized or something like that. Then you would need to synchronize that all by yourself, and in most cases you don't remember where informations are placed, because the game design document gets longer and longer over time. And this AI tool basically will help you that all this is consistent and also synchronized. I'm also in contact with the creator of this AI, and I just also saw that they are testing with Unity version of this AI tool, and also an Unreal Engine plugin will also come soon. And those plugins later help you to import all the characters and actors directly in your game. And it already creates there basically all the different blueprints for you, so you just need to fill them up with code. Of course you need to do the coding and stuff like that yourself, but you already have a folder structure which is nicely set up, and every time in the same way, basically, which will help you structurizing everything. and it will also already create the blueprints that you can maybe later also like check, okay, this blueprint's already created, okay, this is created, like this. You just need to fill all that stuff up with code. And I mean, when we look in the future, please think about like what would be possible in the next 4 or 5 years or something like that. Maybe then it can even help you to fill out the blueprints up with code, and you can then also maybe talk with those AI characters directly in Unreal Engine. And all this for me sounds super exciting, and I'm already looking forward to more updates here. And let me know in the comments as well what you think about all this and about this AI tool, and if you think that it maybe also could help you to build and plan out your game. Because especially of the AI characters, I'm a big fan, and I guess more games should feature those since they make games even more immersive. But not only games, as I showed in the last video, those AI characters also can get used to build virtual offices or showcase your work and give customers an automated roadshow through your office with those AI characters. And also you can easily talk there with client testimonials, which will further build up trust and shorten your sales cycles. So if you maybe also have a game development studio or something else where you also want to implement those virtual 3D offices, then definitely let me know it, because over the time I built up a framework there which we can easily customize according to your needs basically. So we can also easily add that virtual office on your websites. If that's interesting for you, you can easily contact me over the mail in the description, or which you also see here. Or you can also directly schedule a free meeting with me where I can give you a demo and where we together can see how a virtual office could look like for you and your business, and how your business can also benefit from something like that. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about all this AI tools in the comments. And also, when you know any other cool tools I can showcase here on this channel, also definitely let me know it. I'm always looking for new cool stuff there basically. And yeah, when you don't want to miss out any updates on this, then also make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will frequently post new AI tools and updates here on this channel basically. But yeah, that's it from me. Have a nice rest of your day and take care. Bye.